YouTube, your girl Marcy to be back as promised with a 1-week update of the Freetress Cocoa Curl Crochet Braids. Now, for all the 411 information on this hair, please watch my installation video. I will post a link down in the description box. So let's get right into this 1-week update. Quick note on preparation. I did not pre-treat this hair, did not shampoo it, did not soak it in apple cider vinegar, and I'm happy to report that I have not had any issues with itching or irritation. That being said, if you have had problems in the past, tend to be hypersensitive or allergic to synthetic hair, it's always a good rule of thumb to pre-treat the hair. Haven't been able to determine the exact fiber content of this hair. It is a little bit different than other hair that I've tried, but pre-treating the hair, pre-soaking it should not affect the curl pattern nor the texture. So after installing the Freetress Cocoa Curl, I found that it was really full, little too long, and not as manageable for my taste. So I decided to trim it, thin it, and add a few layers in the front to frame my face. I think this length looks a whole lot better and a lot more natural. So let's talk maintenance. Now, the first night I did twist the hair up before putting on my bonnet. Not really necessary with this hair. After that, I just would more or less bend over, let the hair fall, and then kind of just stuff it into the bonnet. Next day, it looked just as good. Get up, take your bonnet off, shake it out, fluff it up, and you're pretty much good to go. So it is low maintenance as far as that is concerned. So let's talk about those T.M.F.s, the tangling, matting, and frizzing. Now, I haven't experienced any tangling or matting with this hair, but let's be real about the frizz. All synthetic hair is gonna frizz to some degree or another, and yes, this hair does frizz. Is it to the point where you want to snatch it out? No, it's your normal minimal frizzing you're gonna get, and especially with these lighter colors that do tend to frizz more than, say, a 1B. Only thing you really need to do is just trim the excess, maybe add a little gel or braid spray, and keep it moving. You're good to go. So my overall opinion after wearing this hair for 1 week is that I would probably give it pretty close to 5 stars. It was super fast to install with the pre-separated strands. It's nice and light on your head. Fairly easy to maintain after I trimmed it down some. Comes in the colors that I like, and the price was right. YouTube, that will do it for this 1-week update of the Freetress Cocoa Curl. Now, I hope I answered all the questions you may have had. If there's something I did not touch on, please leave a comment below. I'll get right back at you. Thank you so very much for watching. I do truly appreciate it. Rate, comment, subscribe, and check back. I'll probably be posting a couple of videos this week. There's a bunch of new hair coming out, so I'm going to try to feature some of that. Until then, YouTube, you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.